how to wear multiple face accessories in Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So open up Chrome, you need to open up a browser for that, go ahead and access it and log in into your Roblox account in roblox.com. And once you are logged in from this particular interface, just go ahead and turn on desktop site first. So once you're in your browser, look out for the three dot at the top or the bottom of your browser and scroll down and find desktop site and tap on it to turn it on and turn on the desktop site in your mobile browser. You can also follow up the same process in your browser in your PC. You do not need to turn on the desktop site, but just go ahead and access it on your PC, roblox.com. After you access it, you need to look out for the menu at the top left of your screen and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you may just go ahead and find the option called avatar and tap on it. And after you tap on it here, you will be finding all of your materials like your products or any kind of accessory that you have available. Now, in order to pair multiple accessories on your Roblox, so for example, if I would like to put this necklace on my neck, so we're just gonna go ahead and tap on it and it will be put on to our character so we can see it. So I can just go ahead and zoom it out. Let me just go ahead and do so and go over to accessories tab and long press on it, and from accessories look out for face and open it up. And once you open it up, go ahead and find the accessory that you would like to add, the multiple one, like we can add more than one. So for that, what we need to do is find the accessory and long press on it, and you'll be finding the address for it. Just go ahead and tap on copy link address. And once you do so, you may go over and find the advanced tab, tap on it. And from the advanced tab, just go ahead and paste the asset ID here. And once you do so, you can tap on save and tap on save and confirm that you would like to override your look, and then you'll be finding the accessory being added to your Roblox character. So this is how you do it. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.